All right, hello, my name is Brandon. I'm with Skoolie Builders, and we are currently putting some lug nuts on our ends of the wires. And you can see, if you've ever done this before, you know that it takes such a stress just to get the wires straight to try and get all these strands in here. And the conflict is you might end up with a couple loose strands. So JJ, he's from Skoolie Electric. He is here to show us how to do this professionally without having to have stress or dangers.
So one thing is that when you have multiple strands hanging out, go to power it up. Say you got one that's hanging out like that, coming off, just send the current through it. You're gonna get shocked if you touch it. So, a little trick that I've picked up in the short amount of time I've been in the trade. Wrap a zip tie around all your strands.
Probably easier to do when you're standing up.
A little bit.
And I apologize if the cut wasn't completely straight. Very nice.
Slide that down.
Nice.
Now hit your crimp with your hydraulic press. Make sure you crimp it nice and tight so it doesn't come loose as you're driving down the road.
Perfect. And the reason why we use a hydraulic crimp is because you want to make sure that it's getting nice and tight and the best crimp possible. It's called when you're crimping.
Hydraulic? Oh.
The pounds
per square inch.
Pounds per square inch. So that's what's going to guarantee the proper crimp so that this doesn't actually loosen up while you're driving down the road, just like JJ said. So anytime you want to have any questions, or if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Obviously we are building buses. We have a bus right over here, as well as this bus we're finishing up right here. So we do electrical, solar, full builds. If you want a design layout, or if you have any questions, comment below, send us a message. We are licensed, bonded, and insured here in the state of Washington under Skoolie Construction. Our brand is Skoolie Builders. As you can see, we've been doing this for many, many years. And yeah, we're here to help any way we can. And we look forward to any of the questions and comments below.